Hey guys, Mahmoud Rubel here, and in this video, I'm going to review PageMaker. So, PageMaker is the mobile-first web builder that lets you launch high-converting web page and marketing campaign fast. So, it is a plug-and-play editor. You can choose from over 300 market-tested templates, and you can build high-converting website and landing page in a snap. So, once you have pick a perfect template for your business, you can fine-tune the design with custom text, image, font, and formatting. So we we will go through all of that. Before we go through all of that, I want to see you their homepage. So they said build high converting web pages in minutes, as you can see. So you can integrate with lot of tools here, probably integrate connected, okay, Stripe, Mailchimp. So all of the things you need to know, all of the things you should. So as you can see, you can integrate with lot of tools here, probably integrate connected Stripe, and as you can see, some testimonials. And it is a mobile fast builder, so you build your web page in your mobile fast editor and increase conversion rate by creating better customer experience. It is plug and play technology, okay. Build quickly one mobile fast, choose from 500 templates, sell with one click checkout, okay, all in one market toolbox, okay. So as you can see, a lot of feature to help you convert more visitors. So lightning fast cdn hosting, native integration with all your favorite application, email storage management, okay, mobile fast building editor, and lot of things. Okay, so before we go to the their dashboard, I want to show you that the pagemaker launched a optional deal. So that means you can get lifetime deal. So you can just buy one time and you get for lifetime, okay. So as you can see, pagemaker lifetime deal cost you $69. If I scroll down a little bit, as you can see, it is $69. So it give you like a pro plan feature, unlimited traffic, 50 active campaigns, 5 sub accounts, 5 team members, 5 custom domains. And if you need more, you can go for license tier 2, and it costs you $149. It unlimited traffic, unlimited active campaign, 25 sub account, 25. And you need increasing more, you can go for like license 3. It is unlimited sub accounts, unlimited team members, 125 custom domains. So it is a lot. And it has also license tier 3, license tier 4, license 5. So if you need more, you can go for like license tier 3 or license tier 4. So let's see their dashboard, okay. So as you can see, we are in their dashboard. So okay, here as you can, we are in landing page. So this is the main feature. So here you can find all of your landing page, and you also create landing page from here, create new page, so you can create from here. So as you can see, first of all, you need to enter your site name or landing page name. So let's see, it is you, okay, Tony, okay, create. So as you can see, first of all, we need to select template, then you need to select colors, then select font, and then set up all are complete. So as you can see, page maker complex, copy from your place, you can also copy from yours, you can start from here. And it has a lot of template, e-commerce, click through, finance. So let's see e-commerce. So you can start from scratch, you can create start from scratch, but it has lot of template you can source from. So let's see. Okay, let's see that. So select, click here. So now you can select your color. So you can select color that matches your brand. So if you have a brand, you can choose based on your brand color. So I chose that primary color, this. Okay, you can choose another. Okay, I chose this secondary color. I don't know what color sense, so I just chose. Okay, other colors, you can choose other colors. So 7, continue. So now you can uh, select your phone. So if you have default phone, if you have brand phone, you can choose from here. Okay, I chose uh, something, okay. thin, regular, normal. Okay, body, the body text or body copy is the text forming the main context. Okay, thin, it is 500. Okay, 7, continue. So it is complete our setup, so ready to start. Go to site. So as you can see, step 1, the page tab is where you will find all the pages associated with your website. Okay, next. And here, as you can see, open in editor, you can edit each page by clicking on the open in editor button. So you can view each page by clicking on the arrow button. Okay, next. As you can see, step 3, the analytics tab is where you will find metrics and data associated with your website. You can view page impression, conversion rate, device, browser, user traffic by time and day. Okay, step 4, as you can see, from tab is where you will be able to find the lead data from all of your from submission. All the data is saved securely on your cloud server, and you can export it one click whenever you want. Okay, so as you can see, step 5, the settings tab where you edit your page title and meta description. And next, step 6, the design. Okay, so design system tabs where you set your preset colors and fonts. And step 7, the templates tab is where you'll find all of your templates. You can also use tab when you want to switch templates. Okay, so as you can see, this is home page, so you can open an editor. So as you can see, you can change your logo from here. So as you can see, you can edit your logo, you can drop file from your local file, and then as you can see, you can select your menu. Okay, you can edit also here. And as you can see, some image here, you can also choose image. You can select ratio weight, ratio height, you can position it. Okay, you can edit breakdown, all of the things. So you can add all of the text here. So if you need text, so you can add your headline here. You can uh, eh, add review here. You can change your price. So all of the things. So it is a mobile fast, so you can see. So if you edit for mobile, you can also see that you can it fit for all the devices. You can see it is for laptop. Okay, so you can, okay, it is, okay, if I, okay, as you can see, it perfectly fit, perfectly great looking. So you can do all of the optimization, you can all of the edit. So after do all of the things, you can save it. Okay, so, okay, as you can see, you can exit editor, so exit. So after creating landing page, you can add domain from here. So you can add domain, you can integrate with a lot of tools, as you can see here. So you can connect to your customer and drive growth, email automation. So you can if you want to email marketing, you can do that with MailChimp. You can connect your apps and automate workflows with easy automation with Zapier. You can also add get response. So it is email marketing automation tool, and it has lot of integrated tool. Okay, so if you want to need payment, you can use Stripe. It also has Razor Pay. Okay, so you can add also domain here. As you can see, add new here. From here you can add a domain. And if you have a Amazon page, you can create from Amazon page from here. Let's see, create. So you need to give a Amazon link here, and you can do that. So that is for you guys in today's video. As you can see, it is a mobile friendly, mobile fast landing page maker. So if you need a landing page maker, if you're a marketer, then this is the recommend tool. So you can find this deal AppSumo. It lasted like 7 days, so you get like $69. Okay, so if you need these tools, just go to the description below. You can find a link, you can get this PageMaker for 10% off. So if you there is a some mm, introduction, so if you follow that you can get it like $59. Okay, so that's for you guys. I hope you understand what is PageMaker and you like this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Okay, thank you so much.